Hi, hello, this is PGR. You're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. Monsoon brings in a lot of rain. Along with it, it brings you the craving for the snack when it's raining. Bonda. Bonda is usually a popular vegetarian snack. But today, we're going to prepare a non-vegetarian bonda using minced meat and mushroom. Firstly, we're going to prepare stuffing for this bonda. So we will see the preparation for the stuffing. I've taken a pan, preheated, 50 ml of refined oil. Once the oil is heated up, add the cumin seeds, 1 medium-sized onion chopped. Saute it. We're going to saute it till the onion gets glossy. Now the onions are pink and glossy. Now at this point of time, we will lower the flame. We'll add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste. We're going to fry it till the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone, and we're going to fry it in low flame. Now the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone. Now we will increase the flame, and we'll add 1 medium-sized tomato, finely chopped. We will saute it till the tomatoes get cooked. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add half a cup of green peas, fresh green peas, 1 cup of chopped mushrooms, saute it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Once you see the mushrooms shrink in size, add fresh ground meat, quarter kilograms, that is 250 grams. Saute it till the meat starts splitting. Once the meat is split, you need to close it with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Now at this point, if in case you want it to be more spicy, you can add some garam masala to it. After you close it with the lid, allow it to cook for 5 minutes in low flame. It has been cooking for 5 minutes in low flame. I'm going to open the lid and check if the water is drained. Yes, the water is drained. Now we're going to check to see if the peas are cooked. Yeah, peas are cooked. Switch off the stove. After switching off the stove, add 1 teaspoon of amchur powder and half a cup of potatoes smashed. Now I have boiled 1 medium-sized potato, and I've peeled it and I've smashed it and kept aside. So we're going to add that. This is going to be a binding agent for the filler. Mix it well. We will allow it to cool for some time to make the meatballs for fillers. It's cooling. We will prepare the batter for the bondas. Now for the batter, I've taken 150 grams of gram flour in a bowl. I'll add quarter teaspoon of cooking soda, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of chili powder. We'll mix it well. Gradually add some water and keep mixing it. Mix it well so that you don't have any lumps in it. Mix it till we get this consistency. The reason why we get it to this consistency is that when you put the fillers in, it should actually coat the fillers. I have made meatballs out of the fillers that we prepared. Now we're going to dip these meatballs into the batter and fry it. Now let's fry these bondas. Taken a small pan and preheated it medium flame. I'm adding up some oil. Wait for the oil to warm up. Now the oil is warm. Take the batter and the meatball, dip it in the batter and roll it. Once it is coated, dip it in the oil. One side is cooked now, so I'm going to turn it over. Fry till the bondas turn into a golden brown in color. Now it's turned golden brown. I'm going to take it out of the oil. Your yummy bondas are ready. Do try this at your home and please do comment in the comment box about how it came out and your experience with this non-vegetarian bonda. Hope you love my video. Like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.